Hey, what's up guys? Bob here for BPFishing. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. Today I'm actually going to be showing you guys a contest winning. So there's a guy on Instagram named Haz Life Fishing. On YouTube his name is Haz Life, H-A-Z Life. He actually had a contest recently, just a giveaway. And I happen to be the guy to win, which is cool. So you guys have seen it before with all these contests. No matter where it's at, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, we all try to get in on them, and it's you know, tag your buddies and like and subscribe and all that stuff, and that's what I did with him. I am a fan of his before the giveaway. I've been watching his videos for a while. He's a newer guy to fishing. I think he's been fishing about a year or so. Started with some bass fishing, stuff like that, but as the weather has changed, he's really got into catfishing. He's been killing it with the catfish. I believe he's in the DC area, somewhere around there, because he does do a lot of fishing right by DC. But really cool dude. Love his videos, love his content. I'm going to link everything down below in the bucket. I'll throw his Instagram in there, and I'll throw his YouTube channel in there. That way you guys can subscribe. I really would love for you guys to go down there, subscribe to his channel, check it out. Watch his videos, things like that, because it is he's a fun dude to watch. So what he's actually giving away in his contest was a monster bass box. So you guys have seen these. People do box openings every month. It seems like they're a very popular thing now with these things. And he let me go on and basically he asked me the questions that they ask. You know, where do you live? I'm in Illinois. What do you fish, from shore or boat? This time of year I fish from the shore, but I definitely boat fish as well. What kind of things do you use? So I threw all that stuff out there, and basically they go and build and customize a box for your area, for the time of the year, for all of that stuff. And he allowed me to do that, and that's what this is. So we're going to jump into this and see what's in the box. I did rip off this goofy tape, but I actually haven't gone through the box yet, so kind of excited to see what's in here. So as we open the box here, see what's right on top. You know, they've got you know, a lot of information on the inside of the box. I know you guys have seen these, so I'm not going to go through it all, but this is all a first for me. Kind of excited to see what they have in here and what they offer. So we'll start it right off the top. Right on top of the box is some rabbit baits, a shaker worm. This thing's got like brown and orange in it with these orange tails, which is pretty cool. I'm going to try to find that sweet spot in this camera to get it to focus, but I'm sure you guys will get the point in this. So this will just give you an idea of what comes in these boxes for everyone. So these are pretty cool. Nice coloring. You know, it's got the fuzz there on the end of it. You don't see a lot of worms with that, so I'm interested to see what that does to the action and what that'll look like in the water. So that'll be pretty cool. Next thing in the box, a Lunker Hut Phantom Spider. So I do have one spider today. So this will be my second one, and I've actually not had a chance to use it. So I bought mine late in the season just because I finally saw them in stock and I wanted to check them out, and I haven't had a chance to use it. But here's a black and white one, which it's very hard to see with my shirt. There you go, that's probably a little bit better. But I will definitely put this to use. I love the top water stuff. I don't do it enough, and I think that's one of my goals for 2020 is to do a lot more top water fishing. So next thing in the box is a Booyah Bait. It's called a 3-inch prank. It's basically a top water popper, it looks like. A bone shiner. Let's see what it says in the back. Yeah, bone shiner. So pretty cool looking, pretty cool popper. These things are always fun. Always fun to throw them. So that's pretty cool. As I'm going through the box here, you know, there's a couple stickers in there. A rabbit bait sticker, a monster bass sticker. Those are kind of right under those things. So yeah, a couple stickers I'll add to the collection there. All right, next thing in the box here is an Arbogast, another popper. It's called a Hula Popper 2.0. I actually love the color on this thing. Man, this is going to be so hard to see, but we'll see if we can do something here. This one is black and red. It's got the crackle on it as well, the black and red crackle. That thing's pretty cool. Nice tail there, same way. So another top water, which is going to be fun. So they did throw some good top water in here, which I've got a decent amount of top water, but like I said, it's one of my goals in next year to, or this year, 2020, to really start doing a lot more top water fishing. I haven't done enough of it. Next thing in the box is some Daiichi size 3 offset hooks, red. So you can see those. That's pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff in this box. I like it a lot. So these will be nice. I actually love red hooks. I don't know if they make a difference. I got a lot of treble hooks that I use on some things, and I like the red hooks. Like I said, I don't know if they make any difference whatsoever, but they're cool to have. All right, next thing in the box is a V&M Wild Thing series. So this one is a Pork Shad 2.0 Green Pumpkin. These things I am gonna I really, really hope these work. They look really cool. They're almost, I don't know, just by the package without opening them up, they basically look like a fluke. But they've got that green pumpkin color to them, and I love that green pumpkin. It really, really works good here in the Midwest, especially a lot of the ponds and lakes that I fish in. These things, that green pumpkin color is prime. I love it. I've got that with a lot of jigs. I've got that with a lot of rubber worms. So this thing's pretty cool. They knew what they were doing when they threw this in the box. All right, next thing in the box is Exone Lures Pro Series. This is a 3-inch Ned Zone, they call it. It's basically a worm for a Ned rig. Right there, you can kind of see it there at the bottom. I've just really started getting into the Ned rig. Caught my last bass of 2019 on a Ned rig. It's perfect for this time of year. Really, any time of the year, but I've really want to hit some of these rivers in the spring and summer for smallmouth with the Ned rig. I think it would be great. So this is, again, another really, really good thing in the box, especially for this time of year. And the last thing in the box, which is well suited for the way I love to fish, is a rattle trap. I have so many rattle traps. Some of them are actually Rattle Trap brand or the Cotton Cordell or whatever it is. But I love the rattle traps. I throw them a lot. I have a lot of success on them. If you guys go back and watch any of my videos, you'll wind up seeing the whole first half of the year, or 3/4 of the year this year, I wound up catching so many fish on rattle trap. So this thing is awesome. It's called an Ozark Craw. Let's see if I can get it a little bit closer. The colors are black and orange on the bottom, and got a lot of beads inside. And the last thing in the box is actually a card that says Strike King is taking over Monster Bass Box on January 1st. So I'm guessing they're going to start having a lot of Strike King stuff in their boxes, which is pretty cool. Again, I want to thank Haz Life Fishing, or Haz Life now on YouTube, Haz Life, for this awesome stuff. This box was really, really cool. I had not actually had one of these boxes before, so it was pretty awesome to be able to get one of these. You guys obviously, you can go check into these boxes. You see what came in my box. There's a lot in here. I don't know how much this box was. I don't know any of that stuff, but you guys can go on their website and check it out. Maybe it is something to get into, to subscribe to. I see a lot of people doing it, and I've thought about it, but just haven't made that commitment to do it. I will link all of Haz Life stuff down below. His YouTube, his Instagram. Go search this guy up, watch his videos, subscribe to his channel if you're interested in his content. We are all a big community here. We're all out there to go fishing, to enjoy ourselves, to share our passion and what we do with everyone else through YouTube, through Instagram, all this stuff. So that's what this was all about. This was a giveaway because he was excited and happy to be growing his channel the way he did, and I just so happened to win it. So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for liking, subscribing, all the comments, everything like that. I really do appreciate it, and we'll talk to you soon.